Hello, I am Father Castor Feroz from Pakistan, and I want to assure the people of Russia and Ukraine that we are praying for peace. We are deeply saddened to see the news that is coming to us, the news of war and the violence going on in Ukraine, and we strongly condemn it, and we are praying for peace both in Ukraine and in Russia. A priest posted a video a few days back expressing his grief and the pain for the people who are suffering because of the war that is going on. And it was really a shocking news for each one of us. And we are having a peace adoration here in Pakistan for peace in Ukraine. And I want to assure all the people of Ukraine that we are united with you in peace and in peaceful prayers. We stand for the Catholic teaching that war is not a solution to anything, but rather war is the defeat of humanity. In war, no one wins, but humanity is defeated. And it is for this reason that we are praying for peace in Ukraine.